Guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and I'm going to show you how to use the Samsung Notes tape feature. At first you need to open your Notes application. Open some note, you can create one, and let's type something that we can cover with the tape. Now after doing that, you need to open the drawing mode, and here you need to scroll back right, swipe right. Here we've got this icon right here. If you tap this icon and tap it again, you can see tape settings. You can increase the width or decrease it, straighten lines, adjust thickness, text, like for example like this or like this, change its color or set some pattern. And with this button you can remove all tapes. Now let's cover something. And now we've got our text covered with the tape. That's how it actually works, and we can uncover or cover it using just a simple tap. Bye!